What's up, guys? We're out here in the field. It's a little windy. They're going up to about 10 miles per hour today, but it's actually perfect for me because I have the Viggan. I want to try it out, and I actually have a new set of antennas for my FPV setup, guys, that I'm actually going to try it out too. So let's get in the air, guys. Get it, man. It is a little windy though. Exactly like a plane. I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you right now. Nice and slow. Ease off the throttle. Really good. Really good. Yes. I actually make them. Yeah, I make them from Dollar Tree foam board. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel, and that's what we're doing right now. We're filming a YouTube channel. I create them, and we just fly them. You could get the system, everything together, about maybe $75 or $100. That's it? And then that's just, yeah, to power it up, you go to Dollar Tree, get some foam, and you can make a plane. I made that one too as well right there. That one has a camera. Let me go get the plane, guys. Everybody loves seeing people fly planes, guys. It's such an amazing feeling when people just stop and just start recording, guys. We're gonna go check it out over there, guys. We're gonna go see what they're talking about.
Yeah, that was drag and lift, right?
Yes, yes, drag, lift. This is bank and yank, yes.
And then how do you
turn? You know ailerons? You know a real plane?
Yeah, I know a little
All right,
bit of drag and
airplane has ailerons,
yeah.
So to turn left and right, you
that's like flap, right?
basically,
like
yes, sir.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
wings, you know,
And to go up and down, it's the same thing. And then it's just the same. And then this is actually
thrust.
Yeah, thrust.
Thrust to move
Yep,
forward.
an EDF jet. Yep. Wow. So it's pretty decent. And then these are your servos. This is what controls it. Wow. Right. And right here is your battery. This is what talks to your remote.
Yeah.
It sends the signal and everything. And it shows you right here your battery life, everything that's good, your voltages. And yeah, it's pretty good, man. You just have to make sure it's balanced correctly. And besides that, it's pretty good. EDF system, it takes a lot of energy. You know what I mean? So with this, I probably could fly about 5 minutes.
Suppose when you are coming down, the tree is in between, what do you do? Make it go up?
Oh yeah, I just make it go up, hit throttle all the way up, and then just pull back on the sticks, and it just takes me up. I go easy on the throttle, I'll probably have about 4 more minutes.
So if you need to increase the time, you
The
need
time?
a larger battery, right?
Yes, I actually have 2 connectors right here.
Okay.
So I can actually put 2 batteries at the same time. Yeah, it's just different stuff for different things and everything.
That's nice.
And yeah, it's pretty good. I'm actually trying it today because it's pretty good and windy today, and seeing how everything. Yeah, the wind works really good with this because it's a jet.
Go like this and then take.
Yeah, look. Yeah, we're gonna try it right now. Yeah, guys.
I like the noise.
Yeah, I like the noise too, yeah.
It looks like a real jack, you know?
Yeah.
We have only 4 minutes or no.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
man. Keep it up.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Like right now, if I had actually other remotes, I would have let you guys try it. Yeah. I like getting a lot of people together. Yeah.
75 hours too.
Yes, sir. Yeah. It's really good, man. It's a really good hobby too. And I broke the prop, so that was the last flight. That was a good one, guys. That was a good one.
Yeah, nice. Good job.
Thank you. All right, guys. We have the 4S again, guys. But I actually dialed this down a little bit less, and we are at a bigger field, guys. So we have better chances of getting a lower pass.
missed that hair. I mean, that tree by hair, guys. I love this thing, guys. I love this thing, guys. I'm about to bring it down so I can check the battery. So I've really been playing it. Smooth, guys. I love this plane, guys. Very smooth. Very smooth, guys. Everybody's asking me how did I stuff this 70mm EDS system in here, guys. As you can see right here, little bit, just a little bit. It's actually sticking out right here. And it's the same thing on the top of the fuselage, guys. I had to literally pick at the inside of it just so I could get the ring, the top of the ring to fit in it. Now, let's go check our battery real quick. Got that. I literally touched the grass, guys. Haha, that was a good landing. But alright, guys, that was good for today's video. Get some flight time, get in the air. Let me know in the comments down below. What plane do you like better, this one or the first one, guys? I feel like I like this one.